I'm Vivek Menon, Executive Director and CEO of the Wildlife Trust of India, one of the premier conservation NGOs in India. I love elephants, so wherever I can smell the elephant dung, have the possibility of seeing an elephant, walk their land, I love the area. Elephants need their forest to be connected by undisturbed, relatively small patches of land that are undisturbed and give them the cover and security to move from place to place. These are called elephant corridors. Because developmental linear infrastructure, things like roads, railways, dams, canals, even high tension power lines, these things cut across a traditional path of an animal that has been moving several millennia across that same landscape. All this means that these corridors become highly disturbed and elephants can't move, or it is forced to move in search of food, and that leads inevitably to crop damage or house destruction, or in the worst case, death of a human being. We are standing actually in a patch of about 50 acres, about 20 hectares of land, but they connect thousands and thousands of square kilometers of forest, and therefore they're critical for the well-being of several important key biodiversity species. Now, when we looked at securing this corridor, there were 5 key villages that were either inside the corridor or just abutting the corridor. So what we went to IUCN Netherlands with was a package to buy out the land from these people and also resettle them. And the package was not cash, it was giving them land for land. So they were given bits of land that they chose themselves, and then we constructed the homes for them. So IUCN Netherlands was absolutely critical because they came in at the right moment with the right amount of money to ensure that this corridor is free of human pressure and can be reverted back to elephants. When we started the process and started moving people out, immediately the animals recolonized. And I was absolutely ecstatic, and I was saying, fantastic, the elephants have come back here. We are securing the future of this animal for perhaps another 100 years at least. It gives me great peace. I think this project is one of those which shows that it can be done. I'm an optimist. Conservation is the art of the possible. It's not the science of the impossible. And when it is not possible, conservation is the art of making things possible.